Welcome to my super quick tutorial on making your Google Slides interactive. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my home slide the background that I want to be interactive. So I right-clicked, change background, and I'm going to use a Google image search, and I might do cat. There we go, insert, done. And that cat now is locked in. So now I need to create a new slide. Make sure you have a title. This helps for linking to the slides later so that you can easily link. So another one is, and this might be mouth. And now you could use a shape. So maybe an arrow. Change the color. Okay, add text. And now I link this by clicking the hyperlink, insert link, and I'm going to click slides in this presentation. And see, now my title, because I've called it ears, I can easily link to the slide I need. Okay, or you could do a text box. Mouth. Color in the box and link to the week. This is the annoying bit. Hang on. Slide that up and hopefully I can see. So I just dragged that up so that I can see slides in this presentation and mouth. Now if I was to present, I'd click on ears, it will take me to the ears, and you would have a back to go back to the home page and mouth. And that's how you make your Google Slides interactive.